Guys, in this video I'm going to be comparing a Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner with the Luscious leave-in conditioner. I'm basically going to do a twist out on either side of my hair and we're going to compare it together. So yeah, you guys can let me know what you think and I'll let you know what I thought as well. So the Shea Moisture leave-in that I'm using is called the Sugarcane Extract and Meadow Foam Seed Silicone Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment. It smells very much like, you know, the conditioners that come in relaxer boxes. That's what the smell reminds me of, although it's very subtle. For the Luscious leave-in conditioner, it smells very much like rosemary essential oils, but it's very subtle because obviously it's an essential oil. The Shea Moisture one has a stronger scent because it has fragrance. So yeah, this is what that looks like. It's a thick consistency, but it's not as thick as the Luscious leave-in conditioner. The ingredients are water, cetyl alcohol, glycerin, caprylic, triglycerin, dicaprylic ester, polyquaternium 7, panthenol oil, castor seed oil, meadow foam seed oil, shea butter, orange peel extract, green tea leaf extract, triethyl citrate, caprylyl glycol, benzoic acid, polyquaternium 72, hydroxyethyl cellulose, sodium benzoate fragrance oil. So basically I'm just going to spritz my hair, you know, as you would normally when you're about to do a twist out, just to dampen it a little bit, and then apply the leave-in conditioner and then twist away. I found that this was actually pretty moisturizing, like it made my hair feel pretty soft and detangling was pretty easy. So yeah, I basically went ahead and did a flat twist. This is what the first two is looking like, and that's the third one. So I've done the first half. I'm going to do the other half using the Luscious leave-in conditioner. Okay guys, the Luscious leave-in conditioner is obviously a thicker consistency, a lot more creamier compared to the other one. The ingredients in this is oat milk, avocado oil, olive oil, vegetable glycerin, emulsifying wax, jojoba oil, shea butter, beeswax, essential oil, and preservative. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to spritz my hair with some water and then apply the leave-in conditioner and then go ahead and do a flat twist on that side of my hair. This is slightly heavier than the other moisturizer, so my hair definitely felt slightly more moisturized on this side than on the other side, but at the same time the other side was still pretty well moisturized. You would be able to tell a little bit that this side is slightly more shinier than the other side. I'm not sure if it's obvious on camera, but yeah, there was a slight difference there. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of my hair, and then yeah, I'll show you guys what that looks like. So that's my second twist done, and this is what it's looking like. Okay guys, so here you go. Look at these twists. They look very, very juicy. Can you tell? Like compared to the dry part of my hair, this is definitely a lot more juicier. And yeah, this side is moisturized, but it's not as like, you know, moisturize as the other part. So yeah, this is basically my whole head done. We're going to ignore the back part of my head because it is a little bit wonky. We'll just use the front part of the twist out to do this, to show this test and the results. Okay, so basically I just tied it, put a scarf on it, went to bed. This is the next day and this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so here I noticed that the side with the Luscious leave-in conditioner was a little more moisturized even the next day in comparison to the Shea Moisture side. So I've just gone ahead and taken out the first twist to show you what it looks like. There is a little bit of definition, definitely. As I said, it doesn't feel as moisturized as the other part, but it's still like not too bad. My hair doesn't feel too dry at all. And I guess this says for all hair types, and the Luscious one is more catered to people that have thick curly hair, so kind of makes sense to some extent. So this is what my hair is looking like. On the other side, it looks very much moisturized. There's not as much definition, but at the same time, this is a leave-in conditioner. It doesn't really claim to be a styler, but the Shea Moisture one does claim to be a styler but I say the definition looks about the same, although the luscious side is a little more moisturized than the other side. As you can see, it looks very shiny, it's very fluffy. It's not dry at all. There's no like what's the word, like those the white um, residue that sometimes leave-in conditioners can leave in your hair. There's none of that there, so it definitely looks really good. So guys, this is what the luscious side is looking like. It looks very fluffy, very bouncy. It's not heavy, it doesn't feel weighed down, none of that. And I'll show you the other side in a minute. This is still the luscious side. So the other side, this is the Shea Moisture side. You can see that there's a lot of definition, but it doesn't look as moisturized as the other one. But yeah, what do you guys think about it? I would definitely go with the luscious leave-in conditioner because I feel like that will leave my hair moisturized for longer periods of time. When it comes to definition, they both look the same, to be honest. It doesn't really look much different. And when it comes to the list of ingredients as well, the luscious ingredients are a lot simpler. A lot of them I already know about, I've used before. But with the Shea Moisture, I had a number of scientific names that I had no idea what they were. So yeah, I'll definitely go with the luscious side. Let me know what you guys think about this, and if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, turn on your notification bell, and share my videos with someone who will find it beneficial. It really helps me out, and it really helps me to keep going with my channel. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.